Welcome back to Core Tech. Today, we're stepping into the past and the future at the same time with the 2026 Canon Retro Camera, -1 rupee. Canon's -1 rupee is a bold attempt to combine classic film-era aesthetics with modern digital performance, designed for photographers who love vintage style but still want the convenience and quality of today's imaging technology. Retro-inspired design. The 2026 Canon Retro Camera, -1 rupee, immediately stands out with its old-school design language. Inspired by Canon's classic film cameras, it features tactile dials, engraved markings, and a textured grip that feels authentic in the hand. The metal body gives it a premium, nostalgic feel while remaining practical for everyday shooting. Modern sensor and image quality. Despite its vintage look, the 2026 Canon Retro Camera, -1 rupee, is thoroughly modern on the inside. It uses a high-resolution digital sensor that delivers sharp detail, wide dynamic range, and accurate color reproduction. Whether shooting landscapes, portraits, or street scenes, the camera produces clean images with Canon's signature color science. Shooting experience and controls. Canon designed the 2026 Canon Retro Camera, -1 rupee, to prioritize the shooting experience. Manual dials for shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation encourage photographers to slow down and engage with their settings. At the same time, intuitive menus and responsive controls ensure the camera doesn't feel outdated or frustrating. Autofocus and performance. The 2026 Canon Retro Camera, -1 rupee, features a fast and reliable autofocus system suited for everyday photography. Subject detection and tracking work smoothly, making it capable of handling moving subjects while maintaining focus accuracy. Performance feels responsive, allowing users to capture moments without hesitation. Video capabilities. While photography is its main focus, the 2026 Canon Retro Camera, -1 rupee, also offers solid video features. It supports high-quality video recording with natural colors and dependable autofocus. This makes it a practical option for casual video creators and photographers who occasionally shoot video content. Connectivity and workflow. Modern connectivity is an important part of the 2026 Canon Retro Camera, -1 rupee. Wireless transfer, USB-C charging, and easy smartphone integration allow photographers to share images quickly and manage files efficiently. These features ensure the camera fits smoothly into contemporary workflows. Who is it for? The 2026 Canon Retro Camera, -1 rupee, is ideal for photographers who appreciate classic camera design and a hands-on shooting style. It's perfect for street photographers, enthusiasts, and creatives who value the process of photography as much as the final image. Conclusion. The 2026 Canon Retro Camera, -1 rupee, proves that nostalgia and modern technology can work together beautifully. With its retro-inspired design, strong image quality, and enjoyable shooting experience, it offers something unique in a market filled with similar-looking cameras.